Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create Apple ID without credit card. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your App Store, then tap on profile icon, then tap on create new Apple ID. Tap on this. Wait some seconds. From here, enter your active email address and password. Then verify your password, and after that select your country, anyone. I'm select Pakistan. You have select any one country, and after that tap yes can see terms and condition toggle turn on and tap on next. And from here enter your Apple ID username and birth date, and then tap on next. And from here you can see payment method, credit and debit card. What you need to do it, tap on none and fill this form. Enter your state name and enter your again state name. Tap on state name, enter your city and enter your passcode, then tap on next. Yes can see enter your phone number, enter your phone number, then tap on next. Verification code, tap on your verification, then tap on verify. Enter your email verification code. Yes can see email verification code. Enter your email verification code, then tap on verify. That's it. Apple ID will be created. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.